Alright, today we're replacing the main pulley right here. As you can see, there's no markings on it. First step is going to be to remove the engine belt right here. To do that, you're going to need a 3/4 or 19mm and a screwdriver. Stick the screwdriver in the slot right here in the generator with the alternator and loosen this bolt right here. Next, go ahead and disconnect the coil from the distributor. Alright, the next thing, you gotta take this apron piece off right here. So you got 1, 2, should have 3 and then 4 screws to take out. Just take those out and pull this piece right out. Alright, now from here you need a 30mm socket. Fits right on there. Then you're gonna need a breaker bar. Yes, I know I'm using the impact socket and I'm using an exhaust pipe for my breaker bar, but I've done it before and it works pretty good. Make sure this is off. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car. It'll just spin real quick and it's gonna loosen it up for us. Alright, so from here you might have some difficulty in getting this thing out. I have in the past. These specific ones I've had pretty good luck with just being able to pull them out, wedge them out. But the stock pulleys are especially hard to get off, and especially if they've been on the engine for 30 years. So I'm just gonna kind of wiggle it back and forth and pull it this way. Now you want to make sure you don't lose this key right here. That'll help it make sure it goes on a little easier. Just take a little bit of grease and rub it around on the inside. Another thing that people like to do at this point, so if you were to grease just this instead, a lot of people put this in a pot of really hot water and put it in there to help it kind of expand and fit onto the shaft a little bit better. But like I said, I've had pretty good luck with these and I've been able to just kind of slide them on, bang them in there, and tighten them down, and it's worked fine. So that's what I'm gonna try here on this one again. And like I said, be careful of this key. A lot of times when you put it on, it likes to flip up and then block you from pushing this on anymore. Alright, I don't know how much farther I can get it pushed on, so I'm going to start trying to get it on with this bolt. Now I think it's tightened down enough. What I like to do is look right here over the top, especially with the other piece of the pulley fully on there, and I like to make sure that these line up so that the belt is not getting pulled in any weird direction.